In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a column in Notion, whether you're cleaning up a database or simplifying a layout. Removing a column can make your workspace clearer and easier to use. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and I'll share a few quick tips so you avoid deleting something you still need. First, open the page or database where the column lives. Make sure you're in the view where you can see the column header you want to remove. In Notion databases, each column represents a property, and deleting it removes that property and its data from the entire database, not just one view. That's important to keep in mind, especially if others rely on the same database. Hover your mouse over the top of the column you want to delete. When you're right over the column header, an icon will appear. Think of it as a small grid or options button that signals more controls are available for that column. Click that icon to open the columns menu. If your cursor isn't exactly over the header, the icon might not show up, so take a second to line it up. From the menu that appears, look for the delete option and click it. Notion may ask you to confirm, especially in databases, because this action removes the property and all the values stored in that column. Confirm the deletion to finalize it. The column will disappear immediately and your remaining columns will shift to fill the space. A few quick notes to keep you safe and efficient. If you only want to reduce visual clutter in a specific database view, consider hiding the property in that view instead of deleting it entirely. Deleting is permanent for that property across all views of the database. If you accidentally remove the wrong column, use undo right away to reverse the action. This works best if you catch the mistake immediately. Also, if your workspace is shared, it's smart to double check with teammates before removing widely used properties, especially those used in filters, sorts, or rollups. If you're working with page columns in a regular Notion page, the same hover and options approach applies to content areas. But remember that deletion there removes the blocks inside that column. Make sure you've moved or archived anything you want to keep. That's it. Hover over the column, click the grid-like options icon, then choose Delete and Confirm. With a little care, you can keep your Notion databases and pages clean, focused, and easy to navigate. 2.